What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the new wireless 15-watt phone charger that's also cool. Okay, basically, what you're going to do to install this is first you're going to need to pull up this piece here, which this piece is just clipped on around here, as well as this front side in here. And to do that, you can usually start it with a plastic pry tool. Mine, I've had this thing up quite a few times, so all the clips are a little loose on mine, so I can just kind of pull it from the corner and pop it up. You might be able to do this with yours, but if it's a newer one, then it's pretty easy. And pop it up like this and pull it out. Now mine has a ton of wires and a whole bunch of other stuff here because I've done some other modifications and such, which I'm actually going to undo that. I had this aftermarket like wireless charger here originally, as well as this Golf thing here, which for me, I can just kind of pull that out. Get that out of the way a little bit, maybe. And I can. You guys won't have to do this, but I am definitely doing this to get this out of here. Okay. And then you're going to pull up this little rubber piece here. Mine is, that's filthy, but mine is just this piece because I had the phone door thing. And if you don't have this, then you won't need to do this part. But all right, so now you're just gonna, I'm not sure if you can see my hand, but you're just gonna come up from here and you just kind of push up and it pops up like that. It's a pretty just, pop up, and that's it. And you're gonna take this plug right here and just go unplug, and you're gonna take your new one, plug it in. Okay, so once you got your new one, you just take it and plug it in the same way you unplugged it, which apparently I don't know what I'm doing, but like so. Click and put everything back. This back piece just kind of slides in and it kind of fits, and then click. It kind of clicks in, and that's about it. And then from here, what you can do is you can actually take this piece and cut a little rectangle section for the cooling. And I will have the official pieces with the cutouts already. However, still waiting on those. So for right now, we don't have those, but we will have those eventually once they decide to come in. But for right now, I'm just going to kind of take this. I don't really need that right now, so I'll just leave it in there. But take this, put it back in. This back corner just kind of fits in and slides in, and then once it gets to there, you just take your fist and just, so all the pieces click in. Make sure you're good. And then for me, because I have this here, I am going to take this and just kind of fit it in there until it clicks. I got my phone door thing here. So what I did with this phone door was I actually used the clips here, like the factory OEM clips, instead of screwing it in from the back. But I'm going to clean this up and get the hole cut and everything like that, and try it out. All right, so I'm going to test this out now. For me, I lift up this and I take the phone and set it there, and there we go. It starts charging. Surprisingly enough, I'm surprised it didn't show up saying mobile device. Oh, there it is, charging mobile device. Not sure if you can see that from here, but yeah, it's charging, and it's a 15-watt charger, so it should actually charge the phone and not just heat it up unlike the factory one. But yeah, so that's about it. That's how you install it. All right, guys, so that's how you install the 15-watt wireless charger. They'll be on the site now, actually. Link will be in the description below. If you like this video and would like to subscribe for more mediocre content such as this, please do, and take care.